Bynta Kaba Jong Jingïakren Khappud ban pinbet no ya Jingïakren Hapdeng Jylla Meghalaya bat Assam haki hindut ligi jaka badang sa kala syapen slam da palat nriu benai ban mentapat Jingïakren kila banjia tang Hadien balapan benai ke result Jong ke election Lok Sabha ka banlong ha ka sautarik ubenai jeliu ki regional committee Jong West KHASI Hills bat Ribhoi district ki dang up ya Jing menjur nagi buat penyat ke Jylla Assam ban let penlong lang ya Jing ban penlong ya ka Jing jurip haki jaka badan Jingïakren Wem alia ganong po ubadeiru udukhat ka Ribhoi Regional Committee uba Admiral Bonds aim ukurmen bahadien ka Jing penbenai ya ka result election baro arliang ken penbet no ya ka tarik pakin penbet ya ka nikamat badang sa teng hakabaya day ba ka Bynta ka baar uba asim la kuburu ba ka Jing penslam hakaban penbet ya ka Jingïakren Khappud kala ailat ai kabu ki riushit nyam ban shim kabu ya ka Jinglong Jingman khamtam halo ka nongrim jong ka Jingit nyam.
And we hope that after the declaration, we hope that the regional committee will decide the date on that, and we could pursue ahead the long-pending matter with regards to the talk on the second phase, especially the area of difference in Ribhoi district, which is Nongwa Mautamur, Bordwar, Desdomria, and Block 2. These are the 4 parts which are there in Ribhoi district. And I'm very optimistic this time around that after the general election in the Lok Sabha, we will positively have a meeting and then followed by a spot inspection.
Menteri Rang ba ka Nong ba Delhi u Arvind Kejriwal